Welcome to a long-awaited YouTube video on the channel. This is going to be backtesting the 10 a.m. open. Now, I was going to do backtesting, rejection blocks, all this shit, but I'm just going to do the 10 a.m. open. Now, the reason I'm going to do that is because it's way easier to backtest for me. Yeah, I don't know, it doesn't take as long to do each one. And it's just what I'm going to do for this video. Maybe we'll do rejection blocks at a later time, but I'm going to do that. First of all, I'm going to show you some results from what I just did yesterday, backtesting the same model. And yeah, so here's what we're looking at. Not the best results ever, but also we have to keep in mind, whenever you're backtesting, it's not like live markets, right? You're not taking as much time, you're not reading it live, like you're not seeing the candles move in real time. You don't know economic stuff, you're maybe not looking at news data, etc. There's a lot of factors that makes backtesting worse. And there's no emotions either, but that make it worse than live markets, right? So I'm a much better trader in live markets than I am on backtesting, but these results still speak for themselves. Now you're gonna see the win rate here, not the highest, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 losing days, and only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winning days. That's a very good time, right? This is the best month of February, plus 7 R. If we look at January 1st, you know, 2, 3, 4, 5 losing days, only 2 winning days. These two here, and we were still profitable, plus 1.32%. Then let's see, March, 1, 2 winning days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losing days, and guess what? We were still up 1.2%. And then April, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 winning days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losing days, and we were up 5%. And then May, didn't finish the month of May, I don't think. Still trading it. I was getting cooked here, obviously. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losing days, no wins yet. So, that's kind of some of the data. Now, obviously, that's not beautiful data here, but like I said, I trade better in live markets, backtesting not so well, but still up 12% on the account. So, it's not amazing, but it's decent data, right? And also, I want to keep this in mind as well. Whenever I'm doing this, I was only risking like $150 every single trade. I was not looking at news. Most of the time, I don't really care too much. I'm not doing a bunch of high time frame analysis. I'm just trading 10 a.m. manipulation and retest, basically. So, yeah. So if you start adding those confluences, your win rate should increase dramatically. But I don't want to make this too long. We're already almost 3 minutes in. So I'm just going to go ahead and set up a new session for this video here and jump straight into it. So blah, blah, blah. If you don't know already, it's the FX replay. You can just do a trial, whatever. But let's do YouTube video 10 a.m. 25K, just because a lot of people start with that. 1, 2, 3, 25K. Let's do M and Q. Right, MES, just to be nice. Just do this one that I have already. Let's do a random day and create session, right? Everything good? Yes. Let's get into it, boy. Let's see where we're at. We're in 2021, so cool. Let's see. Go to, all right, cool. So I already have my shit set up. I have it. So I just want to preface, I don't know what people say, but for me, I trade in Central Time. New York time is 1 hour ahead. So 10 a.m. open is 9 a.m. for me. So you're going to see that on all this stuff. And so I'm trading the 9 a.m. candle, but it's actually the 10 a.m. candle for New York time, okay? Anyway, let's jump straight into this bad boy. Let's go to, boom, what should be a 10 a.m. candle. Is it going to work here? Yeah, okay. Boom. So we are on Wednesday, November 24th, 2021. Let's see where we're at on the daily time frame. I'm not going to do this for every single trade probably, but all-time highs. All right, perfect. This is similar to what we're at now in the sense of current price action, but let's see this fib real quick. So we are at a deep discount, so we could look for longs still here, and we're all-time high, so not a bad shout. Again, I'm not really going to look at gaps and all that and liquidity and shit too much here. I'm pretty much going to try to follow the trend and trade the manipulation. So clearly we have a liquidity sweep here. Awesome. Bang. Let's see, we're at 9 a.m. now, so let's go forward. And I'm moving quick on this, all right? I'm going to be moving quick on this. So, boom. 10 a.m. open right here. Got nice manipulation down into this fair value gap. We have a rejection block here. I'd probably long this 0.5 level. Go ahead and place an entry here, about a 17 point stop loss. Target this high, 5.6 risk reward. Let's just do a 5 though. And yeah, let's run it. Honestly, first trade already right here. Save. So how much I want to be risking? 125. So I'm risking 125 each trade, all right? Let's see how that takes us, all right? Boom. So let's go next. All right, so that'll be up here. Keep going. May not get an entry here. Fib is up here. Cool. Don't need to stop this big, but we'll keep it here. All right, we're tagged in and we're stopped out. All right, cool. Boom. Let's see if there's another entry we could take here. So now we have manipulated to the upside. What do we sweep anything? 5-minute gap. Cool. So maybe we are bearish here if we get a nice looking bearish trade. No, so we just unfortunately got stopped out. Stop loss wasn't big enough. Didn't cover this whole wick. Would have been a 30-point stop. I don't like it. All right, next day. Go to next. All right. Where are we at here? Price is here. Go forward one candle. That's 10 a.m. Looks like overall we've been pretty bullish. Got a retrace down to here. Kind of looks like it's about the 618 level from this low. Trading into this discount in terms of, yeah. So definitely could see longs play out from here. But we have swept out this low. So let's see what we want to do on this 10 a.m. open. Already manipulated that high, about only 2.5 points. It's not really enough for me normally. See, just chopping. Got this. I'd probably take this here. 2.5 points right here. Not normally enough, but based on the way this price action is looking, could be enough. So we might want to take this here. Stop loss this time will just be at the high. 3 points. We'll do 4. I don't understand why. Dude, I swear, older PA has way worse. Like, the candles are tiny, bro. These days, candles are like 30, 40 points. It's insane. But we'll go ahead and place our order right here to see how it plays out. And part of the reason I'm doing it like this is so you guys can understand. You don't have to be banging out TPs left and right. You can get stopped out the majority of the time and still see this thing play out. So let's see. Probably go break even right here after we got tagged in. And unfortunately, we get stopped out. Okay. BE. Let's see. Anything else we want to take? Definitely manipulate it down. Took out these so we don't have equal lows. Above now. Nothing. Okay, boom. So now we actually have decent move down. If price wants to come up and retest it, I would take it. But it doesn't look like we really want to. Would I take it now? Probably not. Is there anything on the 15? Maybe a 5-minute rejection block? There is, but it's not great. Fuck it, we'll take it just for the sake of the video. This thing is definitely getting stopped out. 3-point stop loss. Not the most beautiful, but we'll do it. Save. Boom. Boom. Break even. And dude. And we hit TP. Boom. Almost got stopped out at break even, but you can see there's a win. Nice. Delete that. Go next day. Candle forward once. That's 9 a.m. aka 10 a.m. open. Right here is the open. Looks like we're just accumulating a little bit. Got a nice bearish sell-off. We have this low. I'm gonna open up both longs and shorts. We've already manipulated higher. We have these lows to take out. Took out one of them right here. Haven't taken out this. Also, we could get ES over here if we really want to. ES. Do we have anything here? No. Also, how do you make this where here we go. No, interval, yes. Crosshair, yes. Time, I don't know what that means, but alright. So yeah, we do have these lows here. This looks better for shorts in my opinion. Dude, can we just get this off of here, bro? Thank you. Alright. Let's see. I would prefer shorts here, but what is that? 10 points? That's actually better manipulation to the upside. Boom, I would take this probably. Especially because this is gonna line. Yep, 618. We'll short this bad boy, stop at this high right here. 16 points. Let's see if we can. Let's do the 1 to 3. Let's do a 1 to 5 again. And okay, that's not great. Definitely don't want to see this low get swept, but it does. And may just get no entry today. Yeah, no entry today. Totally fine. Let's go to the next day. And boom. 10 a.m. open. Bullish on this. We have equal highs up here. Yep. Definitely would be bullish. So let's see if we can get anything here. Alright, taking out those highs. Got this. Definitely a good manipulation. 0.5 level. Not enough for me. Did take out that swing high. Could look to see a sell-off here, but I don't love it. That's for sure. But if we're just trading the 10 a.m. model, this is decent, I guess. Without the context that we've already taken out. Without the context that we've been bullish. What is that? 1 to 4. Let's see, is this 1 to 5? No, 1 to 5's here. Alright, we'll go ahead and place this order. I'm not confident on this trade at all, but we'll see if we want to get something here. We're tagged in and stopped out. Boom. Is there any other entry here? This isn't a bad long either, but I wouldn't take it. Price is just chopping. Would we take it now? Definitely could take it. Let's see. Probably not now. So, one and done for the day. Let's see if it wants to tap it again and play out. No. Okay. That's it. Boom. Go to the next day. Go forward once. 9 a.m. Boom. I'm not saying this is ideal how you backtest. I'm just showing you guys that whenever you backtest it like this and you're not even taking in all these considerations, just zooming through it, you can still get a good win rate. Not a good win rate. You can still make profit with a low win rate. And just trading the 10 a.m. open. So once you start adding more confluences, you're going to up your win rate. And yeah. How big is this wick right here? 7.75. It's not too bad. Probably will get stopped out here, but we'll go ahead and throw a punt. Place the order. Dom. Got front ran. Not ideal now. We'll take it still. And we're stopped out. Let's see. Jesus. Okay. Well, probably would take it now, not gonna lie. We got equal lows down here, relative equal lows, clear break and retest, and we don't get it. So unfortunate there. Another stop loss. Go to next day. Go to boom. 10 a.m. Got some lows. Overall, been more so bullish. What is today? Wednesday. Wait, what even is it? December 21st? Damn. Aren't we just in November? What the hell? Damn. Anyway. Let's see, this is good manipulation to the upside here. 14 points. Higher now. Probably not. Wouldn't take this, but... Alright. Now, is this something we could take here? Potentially, but I don't love it. Okay, now maybe we would take it. Boom. Boom. Place order here. Not ideal, but we'll see. We're stopped out again. Holy balls. Still played out almost. Not great. Just chopping around our entry. So, yeah, not great. Not great. Boom. There's the bounce off 10 a.m. Doesn't hold. No. Okay. Next day. Let's go here. Dome. 9 a.m. candle. 10 a.m. Whatever. Manipulation. No manipulation to the upside. So, there we go. Clearly bullish. Let's see this. We have a no wick candle. That's not ideal. Hopefully we see another bullish. Nope. Wouldn't be taking that. Would be taking this probably. Another no wick candle. Unfortunate. Don't really want to see a no wick candle, especially at our stop loss here. 35 points is kind of insane. We'll do a 25 right there. If we even get tagged in here, which we don't. This is about as low as I'd want to see it go. No trade there, no trade there, no trade there. Sell, delete, boom. Next day, boys. Clearly bearish here. Took out some lows, but we saw more lows to take. Looking for shorts here if we can get some. Alright, we get some manipulation above. Short right here. Bang. Stop loss at the high. Almost 30 points. Definitely not ideal, but we'll take it. Definitely not ideal here. This would be about as low as I'd want to see it. Don't get tagged in. Price is chopping and dumps. No entry. Okay. Couple no entry days here. It's crazy. But let's see what we can get here. Okay. Bearish. Not bad. Not bad. 20-point stop. Target these lows. There's my entry right here. Boom, boom. See if we get tagged in. Looks like we might get stopped here. No kizzy. Stopped out pretty quick. Alright, we'd probably take this long here as well. It's not too bad. Got a fair value gap on it. Stop below that. Let's see. Definitely is not ideal here, but 28-point stop. Back up to these highs at least. Place order. Bang. Do we get tagged in and be here? We get break even, and then does price go to our TP? Yes, it does. Unfortunate right there, but we keep pushing, we keep pushing. Boom, 9 a.m. candle. Alright. Clearly we are bullish. I probably would not have taken this just because of, yeah, we do look bullish. I would probably take this. Stop loss here. Boom. Damn, that's a big TP, but we'll see. What's fib looking like? Not perfect, but you know, we ain't looking for perfection here, boys. We are not looking for perfection. We have equal highs now, so getting tagged in would be low-key solid. Okay. And we don't get it, we don't get it, we don't get it, we don't get it. No trade. Boom. Next day. 10 a.m. open. Just kind of in a range here, so open to both sides. Probably favoring shorts, I guess. Chop, chop, chop. Wouldn't take that, wouldn't take that. Boom. Might have taken that, but probably not. This looks horrible. Maybe now. Maybe now. Could take this, I guess. We'll take it, but probably not ideal here. 21-point stop. Not looking good, gang. Definitely going to be here. Let's actually think about our stop or our TP here. Let's just place we'll do a 5R. Bang. And looks like might get stopped out BE here. Probably would have trailed my stop to that low, but we'll leave it. Definitely would trail it to that low. Let's not trip. And come on, gang. Boom, TP hit. Nice. Nice, nice. Go next. Oops, not that. Go next. Move forward candle. Bang. 10 a.m. open. Price looking more bullish, but at the same time could be bearish. Got about 16 points of manipulation to the downside. That's pretty valid in my opinion. Can't even draw this fib right. I'm low-key about to move this, so it's down here. It's not ideal here. Can't cap. That's why we didn't take it. W fade. Now it looks damn good for shorts, I think. Yeah, so I would take this probably. Bang, 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 bang. 1 to 5, place order, save. Let's see if we get tagged in here. Now we chop, of course, we're tagged in. Break even. TP, bang. It's a good day right there. Go to a nice session. Forward 1 candle. Bullish 10 a.m. candle. You gotta remember it's right down here. Yep. Alright. Got a news wick right here, it looks like, so probably bearish on this one. Is this something we'd want to take? Let's see. Probably not. It's no manipulation on the downside and we're bearish. Let's see if we get a 5-minute RP here. We do, but I wouldn't take that. Probably would take this, I guess. It's decent. Stop above this high, 20 points. Target this. Alright, we'll place the order. Tagged in. Break even here because I want to. Definitely break even, and that was insane. That was insane. We have to have an SMT here, right? Yeah, we do have an SMT. So that's unfortunate. I may have avoided that loss in real time. Like I said, real time is going to be different. But unfortunately, boom, stop break even right there. So see what we get here on this day. That was crazy. We just got stop break even. I actually can't believe that. Clearly bearish here. Forward. So manipulation. This could be a decent long if you're bullish. I am not, but we'll take it because the setup itself looks decent. Rejection block right here. Damn. Again, I'm not even bullish, but we'll take it. And we get stopped out, which is what we expected. Now, look better for shorts, 0.5 level. Boom. Okay, this is better. 618 aligns now, right here. Stop above 786. 20-point stop. Target the lows. Place this if we even get it. And we don't, so we'll just go ahead and remove our limit. Go to the next day. Boom. Alright. Are we bearish? Yep, definitely could be bearish. Not enough manipulation for me. Alright, that's good manipulation. Let's see. Yeah, that's decent. It's not too bad. We'll take it. It's a pretty decent look here. Except for we swept out this low. That's definitely not ideal, but don't even get an entry today. Unfortunate. Just go to the next day. Boom. 10 a.m. Definitely have manipulation to the downside. Reswept out low. I'd rather see shorts play out for the day though. Need to see at least down to there. Alright, longs could be good now. We've already reacted off of it once though. We'll go ahead and take it. Just gets to the 705. We have probably a 1-minute rejection block there or something. Stop here, 18 points. Target that high, place order, boom, save, go forward. Okay, I would not have taken this probably after we went all the way up here, and definitely not ideal. And we're stopped out anyway, so it's kind of just how it goes, I guess. Going forward now. Boom. Where's price at? Hello? Looks bearish to me. Yeah. Alright, we have manipulation above. It's not too bad now. We could take this, I guess. Stop here. Target 1 to 5. Got not equal lows. Let's see. Price wants to give us an entry. Might give it to us now. Looks a little sketchy here. Doesn't give us an entry, unfortunate. Go to next day. See, candle forward. Boom. Price could really go either way. I'm leaning more bullish, but we'll see. Is that enough manipulation for me? It is 15 points. That's valid. Right here, if we go any lower, I wouldn't want to take it. Yeah. Alright. Guess we would take this. Not great. We have an order block right there. It's definitely not the best. Hopefully we don't want to tag that 1 minute FVG. No entry anyway. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, gets ran. Go to next day. Choppy. Okay. Definitely does not look high probability if you ask me. I'm not even sure what's going on here. It's Monday. Like, what is happening? Not sure. It's also not even the right candle. There we go. 15 to the downside. That's valid. Right. What about to the upside? 13. It's not perfect. Take out those lows. Damn, this could have been a decent trade because we already had a manipulation. We got these stacked lows down here. Yeah, I probably should have taken that. Super choppy day though, so avoided that loss. Avoided that win actually, but it is what it is. Let's see here. Look bearish. It's not even the right candle. Yes, it is. Right here, we could take that for longs. Alright, place our order here. Boom. Stopped out. Do we get shorts here? Probably not. Next day. Okay, so let's go forward. 9 a.m. candle, 10 a.m., whatever. Manipulation higher, break down below, retest, continue down lower, would take this probably. Place order, save, let's see if we get an entry. Stopped out. Unfortunate. Next day. So you can see how I'm backtesting. That's super choppy here. Doesn't look great, but not putting too much thought into it. I'm not even getting off the 1 minute time frame. Look bullish to me here, but we could want to run all this. Got good manipulation to the upside, and we're just gonna continue higher. All right, fuck me, dude. What is with this choppiness? Like seriously, dude. Why are we at 5 p.m.? Like a new month, new year or something, bro. Also, we're on December 27th, so definitely not the best time to be trading, which is probably why we've been taking even more losses. But yeah. Probably bullish here. Okay, well, guess we could trade along this if we get an opportunity. Place order. December and January price action are not my favorites. I wouldn't even probably backtested this, but I don't want to take more time. So yeah, we'll still see how the win rate ends up playing out, or the profit on the account. And see if we still end up coming out on top. You feel me? Alright. Probably would not be taking this. But we'll take it just for the sake of the vids. Oh, we gotta go break even right there, and we're stopped out at break even probably. Holy shit, that pisses me off. But we end up hitting TP, okay? TP, my game. Let's see what we're at right now. We're up 1.5k. We'll keep going. What are we at? 30 minutes? Nice. We'll keep going another like 15, 20 minutes probably. So let's go the next day, and then we'll review the stats. I bet you didn't think we were in profit, but that's how this strat goes. Okay, low-key this looks damn good for longs right now. Never mind, I'm capping. Looks pretty good for shorts here, I guess. Not really. Now it does. We'll short this bad boy, stop at the high, 13-point stop. Nuke the TP. Place order right here, save that bad boy, and not great. Oh my god. We just got front ran by literally 2 points. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. What are we even on? Are we on New Year's now? Yeah, we're on December 30th. So, not the best time to be trading. But, y'all know the vibes. Probably, I don't know, bullish bearish here. Damn, that was nice. It's a nice retest. Probably no trade day here. See what price wants to do with it though. No, nothing. Go to next session. Okay, nuke to the downside. Probably take this, I guess. Not too terrible. Getting stopped here, probably. Go BE here, I guess. Thank God. Low key, if you really wanted to, one more trade. Where are we at? 940. It's not too bad for another trade. See what we get here. Sorry, I'm not too talkative, but I'm just going through this. Voice crack. But you can just see what I'm doing, right? Get front ran and stopped out here probably. Just going B because probably wouldn't even taken this. Great. Next day. But you can see, guys, how I'm doing this. Like, boom. Looks like we're bearish. Not even gonna see if we've taken out any liquidity. Not gonna see any of that. Just gonna have a bearish bias, but pattern trade this. And alright, clearly we were not bearish. Go to the next session. Didn't even retest 10 a.m. There's 10 a.m. open. Bang. Looks bearish to me, kind of. Looks pretty bearish. Could be bullish though. You know how it goes. 50-50. Would be shorting this here. Stop loss above this. 10-point wick. That's valid. It looks like a big TP. 1 of 5. Alright. Price is screwed 10 a.m. Also, I'm pretty sure we're in New Year's now, so yeah, Jan 5th. So price action can be one-sided whenever we have this. 10 point, 8 point. Not ideal. 786 is here. If we go higher, I'll cancel the limit. Nukes through it. Look for one more trade here, probably. Of course, that one plays out. Right here looks decent. Stop above this FEG, 15 points. What the hell is that? Dude, what are we doing? That was so weird. Shit, I'm supposed to be entered right now. Place order. BE. Bang. TP. Made back our loss. Go to next session. 10 a.m. Look bearish to me, but we'll see here. That's very nice. Probably short this damn near. Definitely would short it now. 30 points is kind of crazy. Damn. Maybe we're lucky here. No. Not lucky there. Unfortunate. Maybe I need to talk more for y'all so you guys can understand what I'm thinking, but go to next session. I'm literally just pattern trading the 10 a.m. open right now, and that's all we're doing. So, boom. Alright, looks like we're bearish. We pulled the fib from here to here. It does align pretty well. We don't have a lot of manipulation above the high here, so it's not ideal. Or manipulation above 10 a.m. open. Also, not even getting a retest. It looks like here would be the retest. 786 aligns. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. And we don't even get a retest, so it doesn't matter. Next day. See, 10 a.m. Cool, bearish, clearly. Short this bad boy, stop above the high. Target a 1 to 5-ish. Fuck, that was supposed to be my entry. If we just go down from here, I'm gonna be pissed. Probably doing all this just to get stopped out. Bang. BE. TP, very nice. Very nice. Go to. Damn, I think I went to the wrong spot. It's probably gonna be 8:30. Yeah, so let's go ahead to 9. Alright, there's our 10 a.m. open. Good manipulation to the downside. Looks to be bullish. Let's see. What is this? Beautiful. Place order. Dome. Not great. Don't really want to take this, but yeah, this shit's doomed. I did not want to take that. Go to next day. Dude. Alright. See what we get here. Let's see. Got manipulation higher, 11 points. Looks to be kind of bullish. Got low resistance liquidity in here. Do look to be bullish. Can't even see targets to the upside. Maybe it's all-time highs. If it's all-time highs, we're probably at long bias, but we'll see. We'll short this real quick. Then flip to longs here. Let's draw the fibs. Here we're at 0.5. I don't love it, but we'll take it. We will take it, bad boy. Got tagged in. Probably B is this 1 minute gap. Definitely at that high. And B. Nice. Okay. Choppy as a mug right now. I don't know, dude. We're chopping, so let's just see. Price wants to be bearish. Little to no manipulation above the open, and we're just dumping. Price doesn't even come back up. Cheers, mate. Pretty sure I clicked the wrong thing. Alright, 10 a.m. open right here. Not want to short that. Could short it now. There we go. Place. Boom. No entry, guys. No entry. Where are we even at? 1050? Definitely not time I'm trying to be getting entered. Doesn't even align, so would not be taking this. But let's see if price takes this out or not. This high right here. Nothing. Alright. Boom. 10 AM open. Nice little break and retest here. Place that bad boy. Stop that quick. Could short this here, but not really interested in that. This looks pretty shit, so we're just gonna go next day. So those are one and done for that day. Couple more trades here, couple more trades here. Okay, long bias. 25 point stops chilling. See if we even get an entry. Would we still take this? Would we still take this? Yes, sir. Dude, we got front ran and then stopped out at our BE. Holy shit. So there's a stop loss. Boom. Okay. There's manipulation to the upside. Nice small stop loss. Probably not taking this all the way to a 1 to 9, but there's our 1 to 5. We'll try to take it down to this. TP hit, could have extendo for that whole low resistance liquidity. Very nice looking trade right there. Do a couple more here. Let me adjust a little bit. Adjust a little bit, gang. And right here. See what we got going on. Looks bullish to me. Got nice manipulation below hand, but Lindsay low hand, below hand. Didn't look great. This doesn't look too bad either. Stop 15 points. Target this shit, boy. Let's place the order and see if we can get. Tell me we just got front ran. Oh my fucking gosh. Alright, not gonna say too much. Should piss me off. Boom. Short. Just like that. Good manipulation. Rejection block, 25 points. Cheers, mate. See if we get our entry. See how quick we get stopped out. Instant stopped out. Okay. Suck me raw, but whatever, bro. And it plays out. Starts to. And cheers, bro. Cheers, bro. Go to next session. Bang, bang. Okay. Clearly manipulation to the upside. Break down below it. Short this bad boy. Bang. Not doing that. Doing that. Let's go. Definitely not taking a 1 to 7 here, but firing the entry and then we get straight stopped out. This shit is so annoying whenever that happens. But that should be happening, you know what I mean? Chopping around 10 AM. Not interested in that. We'll do 2 more trades here, 2 more trades, and we'll review where we're at. Looks to be shorts bias to me. 35 point stop is actually ridiculous, but cheers. Dude, why does it front run my entry? Gives us a good reaction and then just scams me, you know what I mean? Screw off, mate. Screw off. Nothing. Nothing, bro. Alright, good manipulation to the downside. This looks good, right? This looks good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Don't need 2-point stop. Extendo the TPO. This is a fucking massive TP, but Jesus. Screw off, bro. 705, good discount, and stopped out. Fuck you. Flipping a retest? Yeah, probably. I'm taking this just because, I don't know, bro. Hail China, I guess. Actually, I'm not taking this, but look at that. Should have taken it. Holy shit, didn't even tap it though. Alright, we're not ending on that. Hold up. I'm trying to end on a bang, you know what I mean? It's just kind of pissing me off. We've been getting edged here. Alright, dumps on 10 a.m. open. Let's see. We got, holy shit, we got some liquidity. Let me just check one time on the hourly time frame, see if that helps us out here. Does look pretty damn good for shorts. Not gonna hold you. Alright, fuck me. We short this now. Yeah. Absolutely scammers, bro. Okay. Probably don't want to take this nowadays. But we will for the fucking fun of it. No, we won't. Okay, boys. Jesus, man. Looks like I might have, but nah. Didn't even get an entry there. See how we do next candle. Next candle. We're about to wrap this one up, boys. About to wrap this one up. Boom. That was damn near a short I might have wanted to take, but yep. 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 Okay. Screw you. Oh my god, bro. We're getting edged. We're getting edged. We're getting edged. Please. I just want to take one more win, dude. I just want to know what a win feels like, my brother. Alright. Through 10 a.m., I guess. Through 10 a.m., I guess, bro. What the hell are we doing? Boom, 10 a.m. Okay, 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 okay. This could be something, probably not though. Don't want to see us get stopped out, but guess what's gonna happen? If we get entered, probably stopped out here. Let's see, bang, it's definitely not where we want it to be. Straight to our stop loss. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh. It's kind of miserable, right? Let's see. Good thing you guys see me not trade like this whenever I actually trade though. Holy shit. I'd be so fried. Oh my god. Dude. Dude. Holy shit. Alright, next step. Let me lock in here, ready? I'm gonna lock in. Probably last couple trades. I know I've said that 6 times, but I'm getting serious here. Where are we at? 9 a.m. Okay. Bro, what's the open? 150. Boom. Good manipulation to the downside. Alrighty. This looks decent now. Holy shit, bro. Thank you. Here's our 1 to 5, relative equal highs, but holy shit, we just got edged. Bang! Alright, we'll call it there. And it on a win. Dude, that's a good 10 AM right there. Anyway, let's see our stats. Let's see if we were even up on the account. Yeah, we were at 2.8K. Holy shit, bro. How the hell were we profitable? Let's see. Look at that. Look at that, boys. Look at that. We're up. In February, we're already up 1%. 2 losses, 1 win. We're up, what, 300? We're up 350 almost. Okay. In January. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 losing days. 1, 2, 3 winning days. And we were still profitable in the month. Okay. December, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losing days. Yep. 1, 2, 3 winning days. And we were profitable in the month. So as you guys can see, up 11% total. And that's without even doing a lot of analysis, you know? Deadass just pattern trading with good RR and trying to follow the 1 minute trend. Like, I'm not even looking at higher time frame, not looking at any of that. I literally went on the 1 hour chart one time, and you can see we are up almost 3 bands on the account. Now, obviously, that's not like insane over 3 months, but that's not even looking at the higher time frame, bro. That's not even avoiding it with an SMT. That's not anything else. Total losers, we have 24 losses, 10 wins. So that is literally, what is that win percentage? Should say here, right? Win rate. Shit, bro. Where's the win rate, bro? 29% win rate. So, like I said, it has about a 30 to 40% win rate, which is profitable. And that's crazy because a 29% win rate, and we didn't even use the high time frames, bros. So let's see, what did the account went down to? It went down to the account was never negative, except for like 125 bucks, and then we were up. So as you guys can see, actually no, we were down 250 or $300. Dude, wait, what is 125 plus 125? 250. So we were down 250, and then we were positive. We were up on the account for the rest of the time. Absolutely banger. So you guys can see, bro. That's what I want to do this for. I know this video was like me just kind of yapping. It looked like straight nonsense, and a lot of people are gonna watch the video and be like, "You weren't even trading at 10 a.m. correctly." I know. I fully know that. I was just pattern trading the 10 a.m. open, and you can see what it gave you. Max consecutive losses were 7. So let's say you have a fresh account and you have $1,000 drawdown. You can only lose like 5 or 6 times, so you can definitely lose an account. But one win eats up all the losses. So say what you want, bro, but that shit's profitable. Now I know it's not like bang, bang, bang. You're getting a ton of money. But let's imagine you scaled and you were copy trading 3 accounts. So this 3K turns into 9K in 3 months. It's not too bad, you know, it's like 3K a month. And then let's say you're trading 20 accounts like some people do. But what is the math? What even is the math? Let's see. 3 times 20. I should be able to do that. 60K in 3 months. That's enough for you. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And again, we didn't even analyze the charts very well. So this has been a very long video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this. Hopefully you guys learned something from this. I challenge you guys to do the exact same thing I just did and see what your win rate is. See if you're profitable in the account. And again, I showed you this. At the very beginning of the video, I showed you a different session that I did where I did the exact same thing and I was still profitable, just like you saw here. I did it again, right in front of your eyes, every single trade, and you see it's still profitable. So now I challenge you guys to do the exact same thing I just did, and from there, build, go through, look at when it played out, when it didn't play out, and build on that. Then try to do this in live markets, and you'll see you can end up improving your win rate over time, so this number gets inflated. But this is the baseline. So what you're seeing right here is pattern trade in the 10 a.m. open, no context, no confluences, absolutely nothing. Okay, just pattern trade in the 10 a.m. open with a 1 to 5 risk to reward. Now, if you add confluences, you add bias, you add SMTs, you add no trade days, you think about news, etc., your win rate should go up and you should be even more profitable than the 30% win rate. So this video might have sucked for a lot of people. They might have hated it. They might have not liked it. They might not want to sit here for an hour. Totally understandable. But for those of you that did watch this whole thing, you should have learned a lot from this video. And that is, you can lose a lot and still be profitable. And in my opinion, this is actually probably my favorite video I've uploaded on my channel, because for a long time, I did not understand that you could lose a lot of trades and still be profitable if you have a high risk to reward. So win rate is not so important. It's about the risk to reward that you do have. So you just have to, one thing I have to preach to you guys is whenever you guys are taking those trades and you finally see profit, you cannot take profit earlier. You have to hold to at least, you know, whatever your target is, like a 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7, 1 to 8, whatever you're targeting, you have to do that, because if you take profit earlier, the odds do not play out. So hopefully you guys got something from this video. Leave a comment down below if you guys have any questions. Don't leave a comment saying that's not how you trade 10 a.m. Don't tell me, you know, whatever it is. I already know that. I clearly just pattern traded the 10 a.m. Didn't even do it 100% accurately, and we still came out with a 30% win rate, profitable, and each month we were profitable. There's literally not even average drawdown is 1.42%. It's not too bad. What is this? What does this even mean? I don't even understand the frequency, but our max drawdown here is 3.3%. That's not great, but anyway, that's all from me, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's coming up on an hour, so I challenge you guys to, like I said, do this yourself and see what you guys can do, and then try to add confluences, things like that, and improve your win rate. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.